Hi, today's Mindful Monday meditation practice is waking up with nature. It can be done in the morning to greet the new day, or any time during the day that you'd like to refresh and restart. To begin your practice, you might do a little gentle movement. You might reach the arms overhead, reaching through both arms up to the sky. Feel a stretch of the rib cage away from the hips. As you exhale, let those arms come back down. You might gently roll the shoulders up, back, and down a couple times. Feeling from the body from the inside out. You might do a gentle twist, one side and the other. Any other gentle stretches that feel welcoming to you before you come into stillness, going from movement to stillness. You might be seated in a chair with your feet on the floor, feeling the texture of your socks on your feet or the floor beneath you. If you're seated on the floor, feel where your body's connecting to the surface beneath you. Lower body anchored, supported, grounded, at ease. Upper body tall, upright, but not uptight. Crown of the head extending up towards the sky. Softening of the forehead, releasing the hinges of the jaw. Shoulders at ease. A sense of peaceful vibrance. And at the beginning of the day, when the day transitions from the starlit sky to the sun peeking over the horizon, it's gradual. It's not like a flip of a switch or the alarm going off. Much more subtle. Allow yourself the patience and permission to wake with the pace of nature in your practice today. You might picture a horizon, whether it's over an ocean or the mountains. And the transition from the starlit sky to the sun just starting to peek over the horizon. And as that light starts to fill the landscape, you might imagine that filling up through you, that sense of the light and the energy of the new day, spilling into the body. Maybe starting at the soles of the feet and making its way up to the crown of your head. You might connect with the elements of nature that also make up your being. The earth element that you're sitting upon, feeling grounded, supported. the water element, whether the image of the landscape is ocean or lakes, rivers, streams, or waterfalls, the fluidity of water, the strength and the creativity, and that which is within you. Most of your body is made up of water. That sense of fluidity and creativity within you, and the way water nourishes its environment. The element of fire, the bright sun that brings energy and warmth to the new day. That light within you. You might feel it in the belly, the heart, the wisdom of the mind, that third eye center, or all three. The air all around you. You might feel the temperature of air on your skin. The flow of the breath that animates the body. The breath stoking that inner fire to that just right flicker of the flame that brings light and warmth to you and to your environment. The element of space, ether, vibration. You might even hum gently with your exhale, tuning into your authentic voice. Feeling that vibration within and around you. Letting that fade to silence as you feel the echo of that. You might sense this landscape of nature and your inner landscape of earth, water, fire, air, ether. The intermingling of all these within and around you. A sense of harmony within and around you. The natural harmony that is nature. And that is your essential nature. Bringing your attention to the rhythm of the breath. How it energizes the body. How it connects the inner and outer environment. Just following the rhythm of the breath, the flow of the inhale and the exhale. As it brings a sense of harmony to that inner environment and the environment around you. You might let your attention drop into the heart center, the belly, And tuning into any intentions you have for the day. How do you want to show up as you today? How does that feel in your thoughts, your words, and your actions? How does that feel in your body? Taking it in the present tense, how will you feel as you go into your day? Whether it's grounded, open, calm, strong, courageous, creative, whatever the word is for you. Sense that with your whole being. Is true in this moment. And before we bring our practice to a close, tune into the space around you, the floor beneath, the ceiling above, the walls around you. Sensations in the body. Joseph Campbell says, the goal of life is to make your heartbeat match the beat of the universe, to match your nature with nature. May you find that sense of harmony within and around you as you head into the rest of your day. You may gently wiggle the fingers or toes so you feel the body awaken to this new day. Feel that peaceful vibrance from the sun spilling over the horizon, lighting the new day. Gently blinking the eyes open and closed as you take in your environment. And at a pace that is just right for you. Transitioning to the rest of your day. I thank you for joining me today.